when I was having a chat about this with Zakir Bhai, he told me that he told me a very interesting thing. He said that compared to sitar, sarod, sarangi, such instruments, tabla was an accompanying instrument with them, but the history that these instruments have are much older. I mean, comparatively, tabla is a very young instrument as such. So that was his observation, and he said that is why there is so much material that is still not written in tals like rupak or jhaptal, or as much as it is in teen tal. So he's saying this instrument is still being explored in so many ways, and that is what exactly what gave rise to gharanas, because it was being explored in so many ways. It was being explored so many ways of technique, so many combinations of technique, so many combinations of phraseology, so many combinations of expressions, and that is how it all branched out into various thought processes, various philosophies. And these philosophies are what gave rise to gharanas, basically. In that, you have Delhi Gharana are famous for, qaida compositions. Within a very limited framework, their vistar is extremely beautiful, because the more limitation you have, the more difficult it is to create vistar within that framework. And Delhi are experts at doing that. Ajarada Gharana, there's so much other language that comes in. Similarly, Lucknow, Farrukhabad are so famous for their Gat repertoire, innumerable Gats, tremendous dynamics of phraseology being explored. Banaras was born out of Lucknow. One of the ustads went to Banaras and started, Bade Ram Sahai ji, Baldev Sahai, all this entire lineage. They got their tabla from Lucknow. And then there was so much repertoire that went from Punjab as well. So Banaras is kind of a combination of Lucknow and Punjab. Punjab was the only gharana which was geographically very far. So, and it had a prolific Pakhavaj tradition. Then there was a period where there was many years they explored this instrument which is called jodi, which is played. The baya has atta on it, and it's a straight baya, and the bade table के साथ उसको खुला बजाया जाता है. Later on, there is a place called Kasur, from where Bade Ghulam Ali Khan Sahab comes. Very popular, place, and then it became a gharana as well. So Kasur Gharana is also a part of Punjab Gharana of Pakhavaj and Tabla. And Kasur is the place, according to what Jain Saab told me, is where a lot of intricate tabla technique was explored.